In this next video, I will show you how to create your first logo into Canva in a very easy way. So first of all, what I need to do of course is to log into Canva or download the application. For more stability, use the Canva application. Once you have created or downloaded Canva, here into the right section, you might be seeing here that you can sign in totally for free. Once you have signed in, start by logging of course in, and here Canva searchable here for search your content into Canva, type the word logo. You can choose from Canva's ready-made logo templates to start with a blank canvas, or we can start with our own design totally from scratch. What I can suggest you is to choose the option that says logo 500 by 500 pixels. So here, once I choose this element, it's going to be showing me logo template that I can use to get started. Now go for create a blank logo. Trust me, all of this should be appearing into the edition part, so don't worry about that. Once we are into the area of Canva, if you want a little inspiration, we can use the design tools that appears into the left side. So this is a preview of how it's going to be looking my design. Once I clicked into whatever element into the option that appears here into the upper side, here what I can do is to change the colors available and the elements available for what I have chosen. Now let's click here and let's go for Tech Express logo, for example. The name of your branding and the logo design. I'm going to type logo design. Now here into the left top, I can see different designs that I can use. Here I can add elements. All of these elements you can use it for free for your branding. I can add text, font combinations, branding, your own uploads, drawing projects, applications, and much more. Now, usually to get started, to make this much more faster, is to focus into design. Now, let's say for example that you want to create a actual logo for a gym, for example. So if I go for logo gym, I have a lot of templates that I can use that I can of course not using this to of course to say this as my own branding, but use this as an inspiration for my own company. So for example, I have this one that says in gold. I go for against club, fitness, gym center, to punched. So choose one that you kind of like the most and use this as an inspiration to create your own. Once I select one element, I can import all of this stuff so I can start designing my own elements though. So let's for example select here, let's delete this element. Let's click into all the nail, and let's say that I just type Tech Express Gym Center, for example. Now as you can see, this text is a little bigger, so I can make this smaller. Check out how that I have now able here this elements. If I click into one element, I have different tools that I can use to customize what I'm clicking in here. Now for example, let's say that I liked this 3 stars, I like this dumbbells, I like this, but I think that I wanted to change the colors. So I go for color, I select here and I select something like it, so changed all, and there we go. Now what is left for me to change are the text, so exactly the same thing. And here, if you want to create a logo for your company, I can suggest that you have 2 versions of your logo, the white version and the black version. So I'm going to click into the background and I'm going to change this for a black version, and here's the white version. This is the reason why you want to have 2 versions and contrast of your branding logos, because you don't know how it's going to be looking your logo with white colors and with dark colors. So in this case, for example, this stuff that appears here should be black, and there we go. So as you can see, it doesn't look that bad in both elements. Now let's customize this a little bit more. So let's say that I go for elements, and so here instead of this whole hand with the dumbbell, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete the previous one, and I'm going to go here for elements and type the word gym. Let's see what we can use for our graphics. So for example, I have this dumbbell, I have this one, I have this one. So choose one that is more easily for you. Let's say that I select this one. Although we have this purple colors, this purple lines, so I can check it out if this one actually is aligned. The stars, I'm going to put it down here. And I'm going to select this element, position, and move this to the back. There we go. Now I can select from outside my design. So I can select everything here. I put it in the corner and I make this a little bit bigger. Now I can center this and my logo should be created automatically. Now lastly, I do exactly the same thing. Duplicate the page and use this logo to see how it actually looks in a white background. So in this case, I'm going to select this element, change the color and put it white, and we're good to go. Even what you can do is to use elements with artificial intelligence. For that, let's go into elements once again. And instead of selecting one graphic, let's go for the AI image generator. Now here, go for graphics. And let's say that I delete these entry 5 words. Let's say that minimalism. Now the graphics might not sound like really great designs, but still, if you wanted to use this magic media for your designs, you can do it. So for example, maybe I can use this dumbbell design, and I'm just gonna use the first part of the dumbbell. I make this a little bit bigger and put it down there, so I can delete the previous dumbbell and change this for the center, for example, and move this into the back. Now I think that it's going to be really great to change this for a white color and the text for black, so I have something more interesting, right? And well, make this a little bit more smaller, and there we go. So guys, as you can see, it's not that hard to use this application totally for free, of course, from Canva. So now you know how to get started with your designs of your logo. Lastly, what you just need to do is to go for share, download PNG file, and important to choose a really great size, for example 1000, and the pages which you like to use to download, and you're good to go. So guys, with that being said, you now know how to get started creating logos here into Canva. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools to use here into Canva totally for free. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.